Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Toni-Anne if it's your first time here, and welcome to Dream in Colour. So if you want to see what look I come up with, then just continue watching. So this video I wanted to go with a day look. The sun's gonna go down in about 2 hours, so we're gonna race through this so that we can hopefully get pictures in sunlight. So let's go. For the base for the eyes, move the bangs out of the way. If you guys watched my previous video, then you know this is, well, not you know, this is the wig that I was talking about that I coloured today, funny enough. The dye finally came, so I'm just using a ivory concealer for the base. The palette that I'm going to use today is the Rich in Life palette by Patricia Makeup Revolution, the Capsule collection. Need my mirror. Can't see anything. The plan is we're going from light to dark. So I'm going to start with my B11 brush and go into Never Say Never, which is the yellow. Swirl around in it. I'm just going to make sure each colour is as opaque as I can make it. Before we start blending other colours into it. I really hope you can't hear all the noises I can. Haven't filmed in the daytime in a while. Okay, so that's enough of the yellow. And then I'm gonna go into Try Me, which is the orange. The mirror in that palette is really good, but the palette's quite large, so let me use my hand mirror. Ooh, pigment! And then start blending it up into the yellow. I'm still getting used to this hair, but it was giving me really like cute sort of vibes. So I put my headband on. Thought, let me do something a bit cute, a bit daytime, and play in colours that will still match the hair and not clash too much, I hope. And finally, I'm gonna go into Superwoman, which is the pink, in with a flat brush. Oh, the brush that I used for the orange was A28 brush, A28. And then now I'm going in with a flat brush, A13. And I'm just going to apply that to the leftover space of our lid. Then I'm going to go into a fluffy brush, a B07. And go back into Superwoman and start blending that into the orange. Okay, we've lost a little bit of the orange, so I'm going to go back into the orange and then we're just going to go back and forth with the colours until we like the blend. This reminds me a bit of a look that I did in it was my colour series for the orange, funny enough. If you want to see that video, we'll link it up above. I keep saying that, but I hope I remember to actually do it. And then back into the fluffy brush that I used for the pink. I didn't add any more pink to it. I just wanted to naturally blend it in. Because I want it to be opaque, but still quite soft because we're going for daytime. This brush is the one I used orange on, and then finally I'm going back into the brush I used the yellow on. Blending out the outer sides of the orange. I'm going to wipe away any fallout. Where did I put my... I bought a face halo, and it's just a glorified flannel, to be honest. I do like how compact it is though. So you can do things like that. But yeah, I prefer to use it when I put my molecular water in it rather than just water like they recommend. I'm gonna do the other eye quickly off camera and then be back. Okay, my base is on foundation, concealer, powder, and I put my lashes on, which were the Summer Air by Eyelaw X Jordan Woods. You know, when I do my natural looks, I go for these sort of lashes. Now we're gonna bronze. I'm not contouring today, I want to keep it quite natural-esque. So just using Cocoa Naughty. And then just lightly brush it over. Do a little bit of the chin as well. I know this is really for contouring, but I need all the help I can get. Okay. And seeing as we're using Patricia, I'll use Patricia's face palette as well. What one should I use? I use You Are Gold and apply blush. And because my eyes are quite pink, I'm going to go in. I use a whole load of blush. Then highlight. Start from the back. A little bit heavy-handed. But it's fine, it's fine. Gonna use the Makeup Revolution Matte Fix Oil Control Fixing Spray. And just, if I can find a sponge, tuck that into my skin. Also help with the blending of the highlight. Next I'll do the under eye and then we'll get into the lips. Yeah, and then that's it. Under eye, so we're just going to go in with the same colours we used on the lid, starting with the pink, which is Superwoman. So satisfying. And applying that closely to the lash line. Just like that. You can stop here if you want, but because I'm extra, I'm going to go back into the orange and I'm just going to push it in at the bottom of that pink. If anything, it's just making it look more blended. And then last but not least, we're going to go into Never Say Never and just brush below. If I was going for a more dramatic look, I would make sure that all the colours were opaque, but I just want it to look blended more than anything else. Okay, so that's eyes complete. Then for lips, part of me just wants to put gloss on, but what I'm going to do is apply a little bit of cake to my finger and just pat it in the middle. Rub that all around, and then if I can find it, hold on, and then apply my gloss. I moved it from its regular place, so that's why I was like, where the hell is it? Yeah, I'm happy with that. And I think I said finally so many times, but this is the last stage. Can't go without the continuous setting this. Okay. Get my hand fan to speed it up. Should I take this off? I don't know. Where's my hand mirror? I think it's cute. So here is the final look. Not sure what I'm calling it yet, but yeah, it's cute. It's cute to go along with my new hair. Here's Ariane.
Hi.
Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you next time in the next episode of Dream in Colour. Bye.